today you're going to be finishing your internet vocabulary that you started with Mrs. Nelson last time, and then you are going to be completing a second assignment about domain names. So, in your Schoology classroom, under Introduction to the Internet, if you click on that, you will see there are two lessons in there. Lesson 1 is the internet vocabulary. This is the one you started with Mrs. Nelson. You would have to click on my document here. Remember, this is where our screens look different. And if you open this document up, you shall see the work that you started last time. So that needs to get finished and turned in. Remember that when you're working on this, you'll have this open, but you'll also have a new tab open where you are typing define space and then whatever word it is that you are looking for. So for the first one, it's define space URL, and then here is my definition. Okay, so you should complete that for all of them with your partner. When you are done, close out a full screen. From here you will see the submit assignment button. Turn it in, and then use your breadcrumb trail to go back to Introduction to the Internet. The new item you will be doing is this lesson 2, uncovering URLs. Again, you're choosing my document to open it up. You are going to read the story here, and then you are going to do some matching to figure out which one of these websites would make sense for the girls to look at as they do their Civil War research. So for example, find out who won the Battle of Gettysburg. We're looking at the domain, which is the piece at the end, as well as the name of the website to try and figure out which one would be a good fit. So find out who won the Battle of Gettysburg. Would it be usacookbook.edu, an educational site about USA cookbooks? Probably not. Would it be wartimegeography.edu, an educational site about the geography of the Civil War? Probably not. So as we look through these, we see this one here, www.civilwarbattles.edu. That's an educational site on specific Civil War battles. The Battle of Gettysburg was a Civil War battle, so I think it is safe to say that letter B would go there. So you're going to do all of those, and then down at the bottom it says you're going to highlight the domain and then write what you think the purpose of the website is. So the domain is the dot and the end part, so I can highlight that. My highlight is this little paintbrush up here. So I'm going to do that for all of these. And then I'm going to take a guess at what I think this website may be doing. If it's a .com, I know it's a commercial website and it's Civil War stuff. So think about what they might be selling on that website. When you are done with this sheet, you can also work on this with your partner. So this is in partners as well. When you're done with this worksheet, you're going to close out a full screen. You're going to submit it right here, and then you may go to typing agent, no games. So both of these activities may be completed with your partner today.